Yes, guys, tastes good. And
Yes.
it's still hot. Still hot. Still hot, guys. Still hot. I couldn't wait.
We're living some big life in Jamaica, man.
I couldn't wait, guys. And it tastes good. Trust me.
We couldn't wait. Much as how many not taste it, we couldn't wait. But eat good.
Make it taste enough.
Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome to Mama J's channel. How you all doing today?
Yes.
Hope you guys having a wonderful and a fabulous day.
Yes.
So today guys, I am in the country, in Jamaica as well, you know. So now I am going to bake a sweet potato. Colville, Manchester. So guys, so today I'm going to bake a sweet potato pudding. Yes guys, my brother requests this potato pudding, guys. So here is all my ingredients right here. So the sweet potato is right here. So I have cocoa and yellow yam and what else in that? Cocoa, yam and yellow yam and dasheen in this, guys. And here I have my coconut right here.
Grater,
I have
not blend, grater.
Yeah.
And grater.
Everything greater from scratch,
Yeah,
guys.
show them the home grater. You know, my home style. Not, you know, cause I have to take it to the roots, you know what I'm saying?
Homemade grater.
Grater, yes. So, you know.
So yes guys, so I have some calm right here. I have my vanilla, some raisin, cinnamon powder, my sugar, my baking powder, and my flour, and my nutting egg right here, guys.
And let them know it's Benjamin we
Yeah.
use. Benjamin, vanilla.
Vanilla, yes.
Yes.
Original.
Original.
Yeah.
Yes. And in the background we have Sibylline. We're not putting it into the, you know?
In the pudding.
No, we're not gonna put it, but we're gonna show you that.
Yes, guys.
Okay.
So yes, guys. I will leave a coconut bunk in the man.
No, one scissors. It's your scissors.
What? Oh, up the side there. On the veranda. Yeah. So yes guys, I'm getting this coconut juice. So my brother requests you want some of the guys, my hand wash already and everything. Yes.
Yeah. So make sure you have everything, mama. Yeah.
So I'm gonna put some of the thing what my saying want in there. I mean, I'm gonna put the whole of that structure.
If you talk to them, I mean by step.
Yeah, man. Let me tell you, say you want them coconut,
They look fine, yeah.
them something in there.
Yeah, you haven't put too much in it.
Yeah?
That's good enough.
Oh, good enough. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna give this a stir.
Tell them that is home style, original.
Homemade.
Even back in America, you use the machine.
Yeah.
They call it the mixer.
The mixer.
Yes. No, this is the original.
And mixer.
Yeah.
So yes guys, I'm gonna put the sugar, the flour, and all the rest. Guys, I'm gonna put some cornmeal.
What is that? Coarse one or the fine one?
This
Sharon?
is the fine one.
Okay,
The
you gotta
fine-
make them exactly known. Yeah.
This is the refined cornmeal.
Yes, yes,
So I have about a half a pound
yes.
of cornmeal.
And this is the sugar. Homemade sugar from Jamaica. Burn a lot. Sugar. Don't pour it in there.
Yeah. So this is a 2-pound pack, guys. Add a little bit there.
And you for know, yeah.
Yeah, man, no, more. Because I enough this.
Something like that. Come.
Put it anywhere. Guys,
And
I'm
this is
gonna-
counter flour.
So guys, so this is about a pound of flour. Mm-hmm. Put them in. Now I'm gonna put it in some juicy coconut again. A little bit. And put this in there. So yes guys, so I'm just mixing the flour in the cornmeal, in the potato. So this is the baking powder, guys. I'm gonna use about 2 tablespoons of baking powder. One spoon. So guys, I'm gonna use half of this.
Cinnamon
This is my
powder.
cinnamon powder. So guys, I'm going to get some nutmeg right now.
Is it great at that? Yeah, true. Well, I'm great, Ashan. I don't want to mess up your beautiful nails. Yes, guys, so we're greater in the nutmeg, Jamaican style. You know?
Yeah, that one. Oh. The bus. Yeah, the bus.
Sarah, me a cinema leaf.
You have cinnamon leaf?
Left it on the yard. You can't do without it?
Mm-hmm. You can put it.
That's good.
Yeah, man.
That's good, dog. I like the one.
So guys, I'm going to put some of the Benjamin vanilla into it. So we add about 3 tablespoons.
Alright, that's it.
So yes guys, I'm going to mix again. All the spices and everything. Combine now together guys. Oh, the salt. Salt. Yes guys. Some real country style pudding here. Sweet potato pudding.
I'm going to bring up the plate and I eat that. Stop chat, man. No, man. Let's take a hot food I cook. Salt, I bring salt, bring up flavor.
Ah, where is that? Where is that?
No. You're an ugly boy right now.
I went think.
Ooh, that's too much.
Yeah, man. What's up on it?
You never be a kid, no, so me not so.
Yeah, shut them up with the pan.
Yes, guys. So, I'm going to put some salt into it. So, we're going to have about a tablespoon of salt.
That's when I make curry.
We balance it. So, we're going to taste it, guys.
Yes.
And see. Wait, everyone.
Have vanilla?
So, my brother going to taste it, guys. I taste it too.
One more sugar and more vanilla. Sugar and vanilla.
So, I'm going to put more like
Put like more nutmeg.
Hmm?
Now come.
Mm-hmm.
I watch that. What's the in it? I watch that.
Yes, guys, so I use the 2 pound pack of sugar. I'm going to put some more vanilla.
Can't take the mush.
Sorry.
Bring up.
Mm. Oh, can you? Give me a pack. Yes, guys, so we're adding some more salt. As it's kind of fresh
Salt bring up the.
flavor.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Put the raisin, more cinnamon.
And you can't find nutmeg just there.
Disappear.
Yeah.
So yes, guys, we are combining now everything now together. We I gotta do an test tasting. Some more nothing egg.
I want to put the raisin in there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. The raisin now, guys. So you put the amount of raisin to your heart desire. Yes, guys. So I do a next test tasting again. See if it have the right amount. Not easy.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Yeah.
1, 2, you know? Alright. What are it?
Yes, guys. Think we get the right taste. Yeah. Get the right taste now, guys. Where pan with that going now? Put the butter in it. The
So you don't want the banana thing down there?
banana leaf for make it. Me never.
Can't put the banana. Show them my difference.
Mm.
So put the butter. Put oil on my butter and then
Put the banana leaf on top. Alright. So the banana leaf are represent the parchment paper. So guys, we have a new style to show you guys. I'm gonna put the banana leaf in the pot bottom and grease it. So yes guys, so that is the real country style. Put the banana leaf inside of the parchment paper. And then we just put the butter in the pot. That is it guys. Stay tuned.
banana. So guys, we prepare the banana leaf, quail the banana leaf, and place it in the pot bottom that the pound don't stuck in the bottom of the pot. So now we gonna Mama J gonna pour the
butter.
So she gonna touch.
So yes guys, so now we're about now to ready to pour the butter in the pot right now guys. Yes guys. Yeah. Then why not make you come down here, son? Why not make you come down here? Don't see her. I can't bother.
A good size spoon, right?
So yes guys, yeah man. Nice size spoon. So yes guys, it's about now to ready to go on this
Yeah, so we're going.
fire.
Yeah, so we're going. Put a nice banana.
Yes guys, so we're gonna put our next banana leaf over the top. Oh. Yes guys, so we're folding it like this. I want to go epic guys.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Fun.
It is it, sister.
Yeah?
It is it.
Yeah man.
Yo, you say well coconut trash in
You
it.
put
No
it
man,
in.
you put it in there, man.
Oh,
Put it in there, man.
oh.
Put it in there, man.
So yes, girl.
It's good. Yeah.
So, come
Come,
on.
come with the pot. Carry pot.
Make it.
Come.
Go on with you. Alright.
Yeah, put the coal on top. Man. Not too much.
That I go burn out.
We have to put that on the coal, like a coal.
Then in the cook. Another stove that you have bake it pan.
No, coal.
A different you have bake it pan
No, we
something.
just kind of get it.
No man, that I go burn out if you go put it pan. If you go burn up before time.
Yeah. That means too much.
I go burn up before time.
Alright, so put this
That
up.
go bake.
Yeah.
And you have to have
Oh, and a big fire there.
Yeah.
we have make the fire.
No, we don't want some of it.
Put pan top
Draw out some of this.
and the fire we
Draw out some of it.
No, man, make coal. It make coal first. It have to turn
Don't tell
coal.
it to draw. Make it go and burn.
Yeah, it have burn to turn
Make it
coal.
burn.
Alright, so we're going to put something on the
The fire.
Yeah.
Turn you over the other way, man.
Him not gonna use the blazing, you know.
I don't want bigger something I use.
Alright.
No, man.
So guys, what's going on here? They're trying to burn out the coal, burn out the wood, because it's a high fire. So they're gonna burn out the wood some more, so they can get a lot of coal to put on the top, and you know, a little more, and then the coal on the bottom. So in Jamaica, we say Ella top, Ella bottom, hallelujah in the middle, right? So that them are deal with right now.
Yo,
You understand?
Reggie,
So they work.
Pure coal.
You understand?
No, man, but we have to put. We're not going to big enough.
Otherwise, guys, them still doing some other cooking some soup and stuff
No,
like
When
that.
you
Still.
test it?
No, fire for in the
Fire, go up on top of it.
You understand?
Yeah, but fire for
So you're going to lift up that then.
So then call it Ella top, Ella bottom, and hallelujah in the middle. Yeah, that's what it is, guys. Alright, guys, so we just wait on them now to start
Reggie,
to do
this
it
guy
right
used,
now.
man, and we're
Yes.
done, man. This guy used, man. This guy
Yours,
used.
man. A pure
Yeah,
coal over there
coal,
now.
coal.
Cool, man.
No wood now go upon it. Pure coal.
No
When you
stick
done
now
the
go
still
upon it,
so
man.
white,
Yeah.
No stick.
Ciao.
Take out the coal, yeah, man. Put a little coal up on top. Coal in that fire, listen. No need time. I want there. We'll pack the
That's not happy. That's what I'm going to do.
coal not in there.
That's true. Let's see how soon I'll use them. We don't be talking about it.
So guys, so I might use some coal now. I'll get some coal. I'll break them and put them in there right you know.
Alright, you can pause that for a minute. Pause it, yeah.
Alright, so
Come on.
yeah man, this is the pudding. Yeah man, it's a soak right now. Yeah man, you know, it take a little time but it's going there, getting there. They getting there. Yeah man, for real man. Trust me. Yeah. Alright, so say pudding guys, so what happened the pudding finish now? So hold on, let's come here. Make sure I got it right. So I'm gonna take this thing. Alright, so yes guys, so this is how it pudding look like, you know. Yeah. So I think it's finished now. Yep. So I'm gonna take it off you now. And then put it for cool. And that's it. Alright. Yeah. Mama J will do the rest.
So yes, guys, we're about to taste the pudding right now.
Yeah, man. It's hot, so it's hard to cut, you know.
Hot, guys, hot.
But nobody can wait. Everybody want to move fast, you know, before it's finished. So that is what it is. Yes, man. Ooh-wee. Yes, guys. That is it. Yes, guys. It's good. And, you know, it's still hot. Still hot. Still hot, guys. Still hot.
I couldn't wait.
We're living some big life in Jamaica, man.
I couldn't wait, guys. And it tastes good, trust me.
You couldn't wait. Much as how I not taste it, you couldn't wait. But eat good.
Make it taste no.
No, I get peace.
Yeah.
I wait for him peace. Right?
Yeah, me wait for my piece, you know?
Yeah, I'm going to fly one day. You know why I'm going to cook? That's what I say, bro. One more for
Yeah, that's how we do it, you know?
Oh, wow, you man.
All man, where you come from? You good?
Yeah, man, I'm good, goodness. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Me are his new friend in Jamaica. I like me, boss.
One life.
Yeah, because you don't know, see, mommy was doing the video and see, brother Dini over there was serving the rum. Man, we have a lot of joy in Jamaica, man. Yeah. Yeah. That's how we do it in Jamaica. Yeah.
We cannot do a big one. We cannot do a big one.
Yeah, man. So we don't need your nights. Okay? Yeah.
Video? We are doing a video.
Yeah, we are doing a video.
Who? Sharon, do a
A
video.
little
Sharon!
entertainment we are doing.
Wait till later.
No, man. Calm down, man. Calm down.